you're gonna come to Europe, you should really consider places that aren't just Paris, Rome, other popular places to go travel to. You should really come out to like the smaller towns and even the countries that don't really top the list of places to travel to. So we're in the southern Serbian town called Vranje, pretty close to the border of Kosovo and Macedonia. Apparently there's a festival tonight, and let's go check it out. The police have the street closed off. It doesn't look super lively here yet. And that's odd considering it's 9:06 on a Sunday. Although maybe we're not deep enough yet. I think we found the right place. Looks like a pretty solid amount of people. I don't know if this is just like opening act or what, but doesn't seem a whole super lively yet. Pretty good turnout for a town this size on a Sunday night. Although there is a lot less like tchotchke shops than there was at the one in a lot less tchotchke shops and a lot less barbecue than at the Leskovac one.
Srdačan pozdrav sa ovog mesta. Sa ovog istog mesta sa kog smo se rastali prošle godine na završnoj večeri manifestacije Dana Vranja i kada smo obećali da ćemo se ponovo sresti na istom mestu, družiti se sve do kraja manifestacije, a to je do srede 30. avgusta. Manifestacija Dani Vranje je zvanično otvorena juče, predsjednik Skupštine Dr. Dejan Drišković je otvorio manifestaciju od tog momenta krenule su aktivnosti koje su se nastavili danas i nastavit će se i večeras.
Looks like there's more stuff down this way. Hopefully I can get out of here before they start playing some sort of copyrighted music.
Budu zabava, promocija Vranja, promocija Vranja. Biće tako i ove godine, ali ništa ne bilo sve podrške Dana Vranja. Dan Vranja ima svoje prijatelje koji prijatelje više. Evo te
Well, looks like that's about all of it, but we'll walk back through, see if there's anything new that's popped up in the last 20 minutes. For being a city I've never heard of before and doesn't really show up in any maps or any travel lists, kind of really like Vranje. It's actually really nice. Definitely smaller than the one at Leskovac, and there's definitely a lot less food, but it makes sense considering it was a barbecue festival. I definitely should have bought a magnet at the last one because there's no magnets for sale here, and Mrs. Wandering Lens does like her magnets. Not a bad event for a Sunday night. I'm gonna come through here in the morning and get some more footage during the day. There's a really cool church up here, and the gates were open earlier, but it's kind of in a rush earlier, so hopefully we can check out this church tomorrow, check out some of the rest of Vranje, show you guys that if you're gonna come to Europe, you should really consider places that aren't just Paris, Rome, other popular places to go travel to. You should really come out to like the smaller towns and even the countries that don't really top the list of places to travel to. So far, Serbia has been lovely. There has been some bad parts, but that was really just riding the bike too hard and stuff like that. There wasn't anything bad about Serbia. There was just bad circumstances that happened to me while I was in Serbia that are absolutely no fault of Serbia. Food's been lovely, people have been lovely. It's been a great time. So yeah, come to Serbia. Your money goes real far, everyone's nice. Pretty well done mural there. So it is now daytime in the city of Vranje. Let's go check it out. This church in the heart of Vranje is just absolutely beautiful. Tower. just love the way everything's built. I'm gonna go inside, but I'm not gonna record it. That was quite possibly the most beautiful church I've ever seen in my entire life. I would have recorded in there, but there was, you know, people actually in there doing stuff, doing prayers, and it just didn't seem like it was the right thing to do. I didn't see this area yesterday. So far with Vranje, there's occasional like cities you go to and some you just like, you just get a weird feeling about like, it's not bad, but I'd like to leave. But Vranje is one of the places where it's like, I don't know, I just feel good about it. It just feels like a place that I wish I had more than just a little bit last night and a little bit this morning. I actually wanted to leave at like 6 a.m. It's now 7:30. I was gonna try and beat the heat, but I don't know. It's just pretty cool here. I really like it. I definitely gotta come back. Honestly, my only complaint so far about southern Serbia is sort of the street dogs, but I'm probably too much of a dog lover, and it's sad to see. I found one in Lebane, I believe is the name of the town. It's right outside of Leskovac, and he was super cute, and we made a bond. But unfortunately, taking a street dog from Serbia, if it was just back to America, that's one thing, but I do have to go back to the UK for a couple days, and usually the island countries are pretty strict about what comes in, since they're a little more isolated. I think America, the rules are a little easier, mainly because, you know, we share land borders with other countries, and it's, you know, you could just wander up from Mexico or Canada or anything like that, so I don't think it's as strict as the UK, and it was really sad leaving them. So luckily I have a friend in that same village, and I was like, take care of him, Echo, take care of my little dog, my little Serbian dog. Come here. Oh, that's very handsome. Who's a good boy? So are you a good boy? Yeah. Do you need a flea bath? This is where that big concert was last night, coming up here on the right. So yeah, I'm gonna miss this town. Definitely gotta come back, but it's 7:39 and I gotta get the hell out of here before the heat starts. It's supposed to be like 95 degrees today. It's already, that sun is already intense. And coming from Colorado where there's very minimal humidity, well, here there's a lot of humidity and I'm not used to it. So got like 40 miles to go today with, yeah, I still gotta shower, still gotta finish packing. So I'm probably gonna be riding in the absolute heat of the day, but whatever. Better excuse to stop and grab a beer more frequently. So we'll see. I'm gonna miss Vranje. Definitely gotta come back. One more shot of the church tower in the city center. All right. If you're ever in Serbia, come here. Go to Leskovac. Both those towns, amazing. You gotta do it. You gotta see them. There's no point coming to Serbia, or even if you're going to like a place like Skopje, it's really not that far from Skopje. I think like realistically on a bicycle from Vranje, I could make it to Skopje in one day. You know, it'd be a tougher ride, but it's not undoable. I've honestly ridden farther distances on this trip already. So if you're in Skopje or something like that, fuck, just come up here. It's nice. People are nice. Place is lovely. You won't regret it.